Welcome, children. Today, in English, we are going to learn a poem. The name of the poem is Rain in the Night. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There'll be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Thank you.